Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe video. Actually, these recipes were prepared keeping in mind of working moms or working women or anyone who wants to prepare some easy recipes. But I guess all are at home having enough time. A big salute to the medical staffs working on the front line. Can't thank them enough for the support and help they are doing for us. Anyway, do try these recipes if you don't want to cook so much, yet taste is not compromised. Here there are 2 rice dishes and 2 pasta dishes. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Beginning with garlic egg fried rice. I love garlic flavor, so this is one easy recipe you could try. You need a handful of garlic cloves to be chopped. I'm using Indian garlic here to get the best flavor. Into a kadai or a wok, heat some oil. I have used vegetable oil. Now fry the chopped garlic till it's brown in color. Meanwhile, break in eggs. Here I've used total of 5 eggs. Now when the garlic is all fried and brown in color, take it out. I'm taking out some oil in it and keeping only what's needed. Now into that, melt some butter. The butter and oil should be well blended. Just a mix for 5 minutes on low flame. Then goes in the beaten eggs. Don't mix it too much, let there be some chunks of the eggs. Mix in rice. Now this is 1.5 cup basmati rice cooked and cooled down. You may use leftover basmati rice from the previous day, which is the best for fried rice. Mix together. Adding some salt. Now into another small bowl, added 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of thick soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix well. Add little at a time and keep tossing. Then goes in the fried garlic. Now this is the masala pack that you get inside a noodles packet. I'm adding 1 packet for flavoring. You may skip if you don't want to add it, but this gives a good taste. Add in some black pepper powder. Finally goes in some chopped coriander leaves. You may even add some chopped spring onions. I didn't have it with me at that time. Mix together for 5 to 10 minutes and you get this delicious garlic egg fried rice. Next is mushroom fried rice. Again another easy recipe. Chop some spring onion, some garlic and green chilies. Heat a kadai or a wok. Add some vegetable oil. Then add some black pepper powder. Saute in the garlic and green chilies. Mix till the garlic turns light brown. Then add the spring onion. Saute for a minute. I had 1 small yellow capsicum and a green capsicum chopped and added to it. You may use any single color. Slice some mushrooms. These are button mushrooms. You can go for any type. Slice it or chop it into small pieces. It's up to you. Add the sliced mushrooms into the kadai and let it cook. Some salt. Chop some spring onion leaves. Here again mix some soy sauce and vinegar. Add some crushed black pepper. Mix in cooked basmati rice. Mix little at a time, not all together. This again is 1.5 cup basmati rice cooked and cooled down. Add the spring onion leaves. Then add in the sauce little at a time again and toss. Keep mixing for 5 to 10 minutes on low-medium flame. And it's time to serve hot. Now moving on to pasta recipes, beginning with paneer pasta, which is a bit on the spicy side, but you can always adjust it according to your taste buds. Crush a piece of ginger and few garlic cloves. Here I've used Indian ginger and garlic to get extra flavor. Chop 2 medium-sized onions. Blend either 2 medium-sized or 3 small tomatoes into a puree. Now marinate 500 grams of paneer cubes with 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, some salt. Mix in a tablespoon of oil and keep aside. These are frozen peas. Using a clay pot to prepare. Heat some oil to shallow fry the paneer cubes. Fry for a few minutes on low-medium flame and take it out. Into the same oil, add the crushed ginger and garlic. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then add the chopped onions. Once the onion is soft and cooked, add the blended tomatoes. Mix and cover for 5 to 6 minutes on low-medium flame. Don't forget to give a mix in between or else it can burn. Chop a handful of coriander leaves. Once the gravy is thick, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half to 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well. Keep some hot boiling water ready. Let the raw smell of spices leave. Then add hot water, not all together, little at a time, and keep mixing. This helps the gravy blend and cook well together. Then add enough hot water to cook the pasta. Thanks to whoever have given me tips on cooking pasta, even when I was cooking the lasagna last time. When the pasta is cooked in the gravy itself and not pre-cooked, it tastes more delicious. So in the hot water, added salt and the green peas. Here I have added around 5 cups of hot water. You may have to keep checking if the pasta is getting cooked or not and might need to add more water depending on the quality of the pasta. So don't stick on to this ratio completely. Finally added chopped coriander leaves and some crushed kasuri methi or the dried fenugreek leaves. Just a mix and add the fried paneer cubes. Simmer for 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. If you love desi food, you should be loving this too. Next was actually a trial and turned out to be a creamy and tasty pasta. Hope you would like it too. It's a mix of hummus in pasta. Here I've chopped 3 small onions, chopped few garlic cloves, around 5 to 6, and around 6 to 7 green chilies chopped. Into a heated pot, added some butter. Into that goes the chopped garlic and green chilies. Saute till the garlic was fried to a light brown shade. Then saute the onions. Let it get soft and well cooked. You may even chop, but here I have made a paste of a handful of coriander leaves and some parsley along with some salt. You may even add some water to blend. Now if you don't get parsley, you may skip. Mix for a couple of minutes. Then goes in half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix well for 2 minutes on low flame. Now here again mix in hot boiling water, not all together, little at a time. And mix it this way for 5 minutes. Then add enough water. I've added 5 cups of water to 3 cups of pasta, but you will have to check in between if you need to add more water. Check salt and add if needed. Cover and cook till the pasta is almost done. Here I've used 4 to 5 lettuce leaves. You can even add spinach or the palak leaves. Chop roughly and add. It cooks very fast. Now I had this pack of store-bought hummus. Added half cup in the beginning and mixed. And again for extra creaminess, added half cup more. It depends on how creamy you want. 1 cup is perfect, but if you want it less creamy, add just half cup. Now for the recipe for the hummus, I shall share the link in my description box. Now this is optional. For a crunch, I fried some cashews and raisins in some ghee and added to the pasta. Give a mix and it's done. Garnish with some roasted sesame seeds. This is really a creamy and tasty pasta. So that ends today's easy recipes. Do try it out and send me your feedback. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Please do not go out unnecessarily. Let's put an end to the spread and pray for those affected. Stay safe and stay happy. See you with another video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.